Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back. It's Zach. Welcome back to the bathroom. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a declutter type of video. I'm going to be going through this shelf that I have here in the bathroom. It's got tons of different items, some that I use daily, some that I haven't seen and used in a while. I figured it would be a good time to go through it, declutter it, and let you guys know my thoughts about all of these products. I've been watching some decluttering videos on YouTube and I think that they're really interesting and fun. You get a lot of information in a small portion of time, so I figured I would film this one for you. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's jump into it. Once I finish going through this shelf, I do have some products up on the counter next to the sink that I use, like my face wash, body lotion, and things like that. So I'm also going to declutter that and hopefully put a spot up on this shelf for them. That way everything looks a little bit cleaner and nicer. Let's start off with our first product here that I see. It is the L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Cleanser. I have a video on this on my channel. I'm not sure if it's posted yet or not. Since it is a new product, I'm not going to declutter it, but I really didn't see a huge difference from this product. It was a little bit disappointing, but it's not a bad product by means, so I will keep that. Up next is the Inkey List Oat Cleansing Balm. This is a oil balm cleanser. I do really like this. I wish it worked a little bit more. It's a great first step cleanser. It's really gentle. It will take off your sunscreen and tinted sunscreen. If you wear heavy makeup, I don't think that this will get everything off for you, but it is a really good product and a great price. Keeper. Similarly is the Ordinary Squalene Cleanser. I really like this as well. It's very similar to the Oat Cleansing Balm. It's more expensive, but I think it works a little bit better for heavy makeup. This is a small little face mask here. This is a Formula 10.0.6 Pores Be Pure Skin Clarifying Mud Mask with Strawberry. Looks like this. This is a little travel sized. It's just 1 ounce. I feel like I've used this and I didn't notice much of a difference. Maybe I will use it again tonight. I've been feeling like I needed a little bit of unclogging of my pores. I don't know. I need like some sort of something because my skin is breaking out right now and it's not cute. So maybe I will try this out tonight. Also, I want to create a different section for travel skincare because this should be like an everyday shelf, not, oh, I'm going on a trip, let me check my everyday shelf. You know what I mean? This is the LA Looks Absolute Styling Extreme Sport Level 10 Plus Hold. So this is really an intense hair gel. This doesn't have the cap on it. Who even knows what happened to that? I barely have any left. I do like this product. I like the way that it goes on and feels in my hair. It definitely works well. I prefer to apply this onto damp hair. I just feel like it glows in better. You can style your hair and then it will hold up on your hair. So it's pretty decent. It's definitely expired. It's kind of hard to get this last little bits of it, but I guess I need to buy a new one. So trash. What? Next up is the Mario Badescu Skincare Almond and Honey Non-Abrasive Face Scrub. I remember when I was first getting into skincare, this was one of the first products that I bought as like a high-end type of skincare, not from the drugstore. And this is so awful. Trash. Next up is the Now Solutions Vitamin C and Acai Berry Purifying Toner. Okay. This product I actually did like for a while. It smells really good, but I didn't really notice a difference in my skin with it. Being a toner, I feel like it just kind of mopped up more oil and kind of made sure that your skin was extra clear or clean. And the vitamin C and acai berry, I don't really think it did anything. This isn't really like a stabilized formula. It's just a toner. I still have a decent amount of it left and it doesn't have an expiration date, so I'll keep it and maybe I'll use it again as summer comes along. Here I have a little travel spray bottle of something. Oh, okay, I remember exactly what this is. This is actually tea tree oil and something else mixed in with it. I can't remember. I used to mix tea tree oil with some water with, I don't even know the other ingredient. But I used to spray this on my body after working out, and I believe it did help me a little bit with acne, but I've since used better products you know, more acne treating products like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, vitamin A, topical, not tropical, topical vitamin A on my body instead of using a spray thing. But this spray bottle could be good for travel, so I will keep it and empty it out. Up next, I have this, the Face Shop Rice Water Bright. It is their light cleansing oil. I'm nearly out of this. I really didn't enjoy this. I felt like this didn't even really clean my face that much. It has a really strong fragrance, so this is trash. Dear Claire's Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil. I really love this stuff. I put this in my 2020 favorites video. I discovered this at the end of 2020 and I already knew that it was going to be a favorite. I have now since got down to here and I still feel the same way. I reach for this almost every night. I really like this stuff. It's about $20. Really like it. Here's that tea tree oil. This is Desert Essence 100% Australian tea tree oil. Yeah, trash. Here I've got 4 products lined up. I don't think these are mine and they're hella dusty, so whoever's they are, they don't like them. It's the MUA Professional Makeup Academy Brush Cleansing Balm with Scrubbing Pad. So it's for makeup brushes. Look at how dusty this is. Do you think whoever stuff this is, like, they're actually using this? Body cream from OUAI. Sculpt and body cream. Eye repair cream. Okay, I'm not gonna throw away other people's stuff, but it's gonna go in a different area. Next up is the Madre Labs Unscented Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner. Originally, back in the day, I remember buying this maybe like 2016. I remember thinking that this was going to be a great product because it's got witch hazel, which I read or saw somewhere was good for acne. You guys, I've tried everything for acne. That's why I really enjoy making acne videos for you guys. I've been there, I've done that. This is the type of stuff that made it worse. So I do have an acne video on my channel. I will try to leave it linked up here. That will give you some great tips on how to treat your acne, and this is not mentioned in it. So I was attracted to this because it was an unscented and alcohol-free, so I thought it'd be a non-stripping version. It says that it's natural, gentle, it cleanses, moisturizes, and tones with aloe vera. So everything seems really great from the packaging and from the claims, but this really just did nothing for my skin at all. And earlier this year, I went back and started to use this again because I thought, why did I stop using this? I should incorporate it again. And I started to use it again and I broke out. I started to break out. So I don't even know why I still have it, but trash. Another stripping toner for acne. Don't tell me this stuff has been here for 5 years. This is the new at the time oil-free acne stress control triple action toner by Neutrogena. This is a 2% salicylic acid toner product, which I think could be good and definitely effective, but I used to use this all over my face. I did not spot treat with it. Salicylic acid would be great in areas that are clogged up from oil production or sweat or ingrown hairs. So maybe the beard area, the chin, definitely the sides of the nose, the forehead, you know, areas like that produce more oil. This product stings like the dickens and it smells really weird. It smells strong of alcohol. Does it have fragrance? It does. It doesn't smell good though, but it does have fragrance, so trash. This is the Cetaphil Oil Control Foaming Wash. This is like a little sample size my dermatologist actually gave to me years ago. This was my first dermatologist. I can't remember who my second dermatologist was now. Oh, yes, I do. She gave me this as a sample, and this is an oil control foaming wash. Yeah, if you have super oily skin, this is very much probably up your alley. You'll like this. This leaves the skin super stripped, super matte. This pulls everything and everything out. I used it once a couple months ago, and I was like, whoa. Yeah, I mean, my skin had to recover, but good for people that are super oily or that are in a very hot, humid climate. You might like this. I'll keep it because in the summer I might want it or something. Here I've got dental whitening treatments for upper and lower whitening wraps. They're not expired, so that's great. I don't know, maybe I'll try to use this. I should use more teeth whitening products to get whiter, brighter, nicer teeth, but I just never do. I think the easiest way to get whiter teeth is 1, brush 2 to 3 times a day, but 2, use a whitening mouthwash. That way it's easy, it's non-invasive, you don't have to sit around with things in your mouth. But these things definitely can make an improvement, so I will keep them. Up next, I have the Hadalabo Oil Cleansing Oil. I can never read any of this stuff, but it's from Hadalabo. It is their cleansing oil. I know they have a couple different cleansing oils, so I'm not entirely sure which one this is, but it looks like this. And the little tag on the back says cleansing oil, 200 milliliters. So I'm not sure if that information is helpful for you guys, but this is a really nice cleansing oil. It does a pretty good job. I would say it takes off 90% of everything on your skin, which is pretty good. I use it as a first step cleanser. I really like it. But when I first started using this, which was like 3 years ago, this product was about $12. Now it's like $20. So I've been using other alternatives like the DECLUTTERINGs, like the Inky List, stuff like that. So I'm not going to repurchase this, but I'm going to keep it and use the rest of it up. Not repurchasing, what is this, an empties video? Okay, here I have the Ulta Beauty Bronze Glow Ulta Beauty Bronze Glow Self-Tanning Gradual Tan Lotion for face and body. It is a daily moisturizer. Oh, okay. It's kind of smart. Lightweight moisturizing lotion creates a healthy glow and builds to a medium tan with daily use. Oh, you gotta use this every day? Shy, that's a process. All right. I don't know if I'll keep this or not. There's some dust on it, so it looks like nobody's used it for a while. Aloe vera, green tea, vitamin E. Shake this up. Oh, it's white. I don't really like these white tanners because I can't see what's going on. Just gonna put a little bit in my hand and we'll see by the end of the video if anything happens. Which, by the way, you're never supposed to use your hands in self-tanner because then you'll have an orange hand, but I don't really care. We're washing our hands so much these days that within a day or two, these tanners are gone anyway, so totally fine. Okay, it does feel really nice and soft on the skin. Wow. Wow, feels good. Okay, we'll see if anything happens. Right now it's in the keeping pile though. 2 more products. This is a travel size product. It is the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleansing Face Wash, oil free. It says it winds you down and washes away daily buildup. Okay. It is just like a deep cleansing face wash. So probably better for oily skin. I'll put it in the travel bin, but I personally would not be traveling with that. And then lastly, up here, we've got the Dead Sea Minerals Anti-Stress Clay Facial Mask. I got this at CVS. Is this CVS brand? Because it says CVS Quality Money Back Guarantee. And now it's made in Korea. Oh, no, it is CVS brand. Distributed by CVS Pharmacy. Oh, cool. I didn't even know that they made face masks. I'm going to CVS today. You know, I'm going to check and see what else they got. This is okay. It's a clay mask. I think it does help mop up some excess oil and might help clean up your pores a little bit. I like this stuff. It's just pretty nice. It's nice to just do with a friend and, you know, once a week or something like that. Great for the summer, but don't expect a whole lot from this. It's really just gonna get rid of some oil on your skin. I'll keep this. Look at that, the shell. Oops, I can see it. Now we're gonna clean it and we're gonna put stuff back. All right, now that that is done, we're getting things back up. Look at that, look at that. This was so cluttered before I started the video. And now look at, now it's clean, there's not that many products, it looks more organized. So now it's time to add the products from the counter and put them up here, but try not to make it look like a mess. We're gonna start right here. So right below this, I have the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is great. I used to use this on my face super often, and I would use this alongside the Ordinary's Niacinamide Serum. I just recently posted a video talking about that. I should not say most recently. I don't know when this video is gonna go up. Anyways, I'm filming this around Valentine's Day, but this is a great product. I recently picked this up on a sale. It is a value size. This will last me quite some time. And I'm just gonna pop that up on the shelf right here. Great product. I really like it. Here I have the Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Cream. This is great. I should have filmed this long ago. This is the La Roche-Posay Lipicare Wash AP+. It is their gentle foaming moisturizing wash. I absolutely love this stuff. I don't even know how they created this because it really washes the skin so well. The skin feels clean, but moisturized. I really have no idea how the hell this was formulated. It works so well. It says it's for dry to extra dry skin. It is approved by the National Eczema Association, so I definitely think it's great if you do have that dry, irritated skin, but this is going to actually wash and cleanse your face. So this is a great option. It says for body and face. I only use it on my face. I haven't used it on my body, but you definitely could. It just might be kind of expensive to do it that way instead of, a different type of body wash. But either way, great product. So I'm gonna put this up on the counter somewhere. And then lastly, I have this Cetaphil Daily Advanced Lotion, Ultra Hydrating. This is their body lotion. I have used this on my face too. It's super lightweight and it is pretty moisturizing. Nothing in this that will be irritating. This is great for sensitive skin types across the board. It even says dry sensitive skin. So yeah, I totally recommend this, and I like to use this on my body and my face sometimes too. So it's a great product. But now I feel like some products are blocked off. See, that's the problem when you have too much stuff. Things get blocked and then you don't use them as much. So what I'm gonna do is the Self Tanner, which by the way, I don't have any results from. This is the hand I used Self Tanner. This is the hand I didn't. I've got no results to show as of now, but I'm just gonna keep it. I do really like the way it felt. That's nice. It does say gradual, so maybe I gotta use it every day, I don't know. I'll leave this one, but the mask I'm gonna put with the rest of my face masks. That I'm cool with, and I'm gonna put this face wash on the counter right next to the sink when I wash my face. There we have it. I'm good with the way that looks. I'm so glad that I was able to declutter this. This has been bothering me for a long time. There's just so many products on there. Now it's a lot more organized, neat. I can see everything. Maybe I will do an updated video as the seasons change and I start using different products. This has been a long video, so I do apologize about that, but I hope that you did enjoy it. And please give my video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you want more videos like this, or if you saw anything on the shelf that you used, like, dislike. I'd love to know in the comments down below. And as always, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.